Hello baby OPOS stars. Good morning OPOS stars. We'll be doing the green chili kurkure. An unusual recipe. We'll make do with whatever vegetables and fruits we have during this lockdown. Now slit it like this. Start the stopwatch. This should be a 10-minute from start to finish recipe. You can remove the seeds if you like, but the bite of the chili gets greatly reduced on frying. So you don't need to worry too much about leaving the seeds in. This is an ideal snack for people who love spicy food, and it has just 3 ingredients: chilies, some kind of a starch, and a bit of salt. That's it. The loading should take us a couple of minutes. Cooking should take us 5 to 6 minutes. The procedure is simple. Coat with some kind of a starch and cold pressure fry for around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it. Now you can try interesting cuts. You can try the French cut this way, or you can cut it into very thin fingers like this. It's up to you. Do what you think works for you. Vertically splitting them into 2 halves works best for me. So I'll continue to stick with this. We did a big batch of this yesterday and it all vanished without a trace. So I wanted to repeat it the first thing in the morning. I think that should be enough. You can shake out the seeds. If you find this too spicy, just mix in a bit of salt and some gram flour. Ensure that all chilies are coated. This is the oil which has reached the end of its life. I think this is the 9th or 10th time I'm reusing it. So 1 cup of oil. I didn't filter it. Forget the impurities there. Ensure that all the chili pieces are covered by oil. You may want to add a bit more oil if you like, but they shrink on cooking, so I think this should be enough. And I'll let this go for around 6 minutes. You can make a sabji from green chilies. Use it in lesson 2. Just chop it up, add a bit of oil and just pressure bake them. Goes well with chapatis and even rice. Try it out. We'll do 2-3 dishes today. One would be the aloo chaat, one would be the pineapple chaat. This would be the third dish. If you're worried about the bite of the chilies, you can try the same thing with banana chilies. These are a bit old, and but you can pressure bake them or cold pressure fry them. They'll come alive again. So let me cut this up and keep this ready for the next batch. They're pretty old and wrinkled. You may choose to remove the seeds or let them be. So you can fry this exactly the same way as you fried the chilies. Two more minutes to go. Mix in a bit of salt. And mix in a bit of gram flour. Or you can mix in rava or corn flour, any starch is fine. That's it. We are ready for the next batch. You can vary the timing. If you want a very crispy version, go in for a few seconds more than the recommended time. But anything more than 7 to 8 minutes for this quantity and you invite burning. That's it. Let me filter out the excess oil. I think I could have gone in for maybe a minute more. They are not very crisp. If I had gone in for 7 minutes, I guess it should have been Perfect. They are moderately crisp. Some of them are not. So vary the cooking time, open it, and if it's not crisp enough to your liking, just close and let it go for maybe a minute or so more. Not too spicy. It's consumed maybe 1.5 tablespoons of oil. So do try this and post your feedbacks.